Okay, now for me this feels right. So what I do so I can keep all my layers, I just press Control, Shift, Alt and E, and it creates a new layer. I'm just going to turn off the lower one so you can see a new layer that is like completely merged. So this is the new layer on which I will paint, and on which I can make like all my selections and basically make new decisions. So now I'm going to, oops, save it, work with the sky in the background. I think I want to have some sky shining through. So I pick a very hard brush and just block out some of these, well, which are now clouds, and see if this works. So this could be very interesting. It looks like some nice cloud formations, and same thing here, just sneak your way into it. I'm going to take this overlay brush over here, with which I'm going to give the sky a little more brightness and shine from below here. Just like that. There we go. So this already, like when we zoom out, like takes shape. And yeah, without going in too much detail, let's just keep this overlay brush and give all the big parts some more accents and some more strength, especially the bright parts where the sunlight is fully hitting the surface. Basically, we just use that and just make our selection, refine our selection, so these two parts stay like clearly separated. That's quite important. Now there we go. Like this is where the sunlight really goes. It's crazy on that terrain. Here we have some nice green and bright shapes here. Going more into a bluish color. That might be too blue. And just colorize, basically using the overlay brush, just to give it a very just a over, like a really rough and spacious color language. Like really use the space and like not go too much into the detail. As always, it's basically the theme for the first like 80% working on the picture, or the decisions that are made in the first 80% are really like not really like detailed decisions. It's something that is really much more related to the blocking and the overall language. So maybe there's some green parts here. And now I can also just paint directly on that using softer brushes. Just like that. Oops, that's a quite harsh brush. There we go. Just give everything the right amount of attention, the attention that it needs. Like that. There we go. Okay, that's already the background. And this is kind of an undefined space here, so check out which parts of the picture are not really like being clearly readable, and just give them some clearly defined shapes, so you can distinguish like foreground, background, and those things. So you can see I'm just picking the colors from wherever I need them, and that's just like a totally normal like technique, really using what's there, making it brighter to have like a nice shape here. Okay.